Good morning, friends. It is Tuesday, and we are going to Florida. Going to Hollywood, Florida on Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, and then on Thursday I will be in Tampa, Fort Lauderdale. I don't know. They'll just take me there. They'll just carry me off, put me in a bus, and be like, off you go. And speaking of carrying me in a bus and telling me off I go.
Get the fuck out of here.
Thank you so much for taking me to the airport, baby.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. We made it. Just landed Fort Lauderdale, Gator Country. So just to check in with y'all, I landed, checked into my hotel, went to grab a workout at their Planet Fitness right behind me. And man, I have strong feelings about Florida. Again, I don't want to offend, because I'm sure there are there's a lot of people with a lot of affection for Florida. I am not one of those people. Like, I know that Miami seems pretty cool. People say great things about Miami. People also love the weather. But to me, it's like too big, too much concrete. It feels like they just kind of bulldozed the whole state, poured concrete, and built theme parks on top of it. The theme parks are nice. Don't get me wrong. I enjoy the Florida theme parks. But everything is too far away. Every building is too far away from one another. So, I guess I'll see tomorrow. And tomorrow and Thursday, see what happens. Maybe I'll change my mind about Florida. I don't know. We'll see. Good morning, friends. It's Wednesday. You know what that means. We're celebrating 6 years of AEW at the Hard Rock Casino. Let's go. Dynamite.
Not use bad chairs. Bad chairs.
Is that what that says?
Wait, it said it at the side.
We
Yeah.
have bad chairs section.
Bad chairs.
So on top of dealing with bad chairs, we got to deal with some bad people. You guys saw what happened last week.
You know,
So
a little garden known by the name of Stoke, Lil Stroke, I don't even know what to call him. But you know,
little stroke.
Little Stroke.
Little stroke.
Reason number 2 why he don't get no hoes. So
Oh man.
stop scaring them. Get your stroke game up. That's all I got.
Get your stroke game up. But no match today. Just observation.
Right.
We might lay out some challenges. We've been discussing the possibility of that.
Yes,
We
yes,
plotting.
yes.
We scheming.
Always.
Hey, don't sleep on Willow over there. She
Happy 6 years, Dynamite.
Happy 6 years. That's right. It's the 6th year anniversary. So how long have you been? When was your first Dynamite appearance? Because we're brand new. We're just babies out here. Actually,
out here.
That's not true. Kevin's been around for...
Actually, I had a first match on Dynamite 3 years ago. I was seconding with Kushida.
Yeah.
So technically.
I maybe like 3 years before Dynamite 100.
Okay.
I know that much.
Wow.
I remember when Dynamite 100 happened. I did a little Instagram post.
Ooh,
So.
Yeah.
we got the Instagram post to prove it and everything. Not only is it the 6th anniversary of Dynamite, this is my 6th year of wrestling. So
That's crazy.
me and
Oh my
AEW, our
God.
careers are
I'm so fucking old. I'm so old. God damn, that's crazy. 6 years.
It's only
Only
6
6
years,
years. And that includes the pandemic.
Oh my God.
So really, I'm like 3.5.
Yeah.
If you want to be real.
I started wrestling in 2005.
That's cool.
2005, I was still getting progress reports. I was still getting silent lunch.
What year did you start wrestling?
2015.
2015. God
That's
damn.
experience.
That just means if you believe in the hierarchical.
But you don't, because I've been wrestling longer than many people who are way higher on the totem pole than I am. But I do my best.
It'd be like,
You know?
We're all learning and living and laughing and lollygagging.
That's true. Lots of lollygagging.
Put that on a t-shirt.
Speaking of t-shirts, we gotta get a thing going. Hey, so I'm just walking by, and hi, Brandon Cutler.
Hey, how you doing?
I just wanted to take a second to say that, you know, we're celebrating 6 years of Dynamite, and for me, You are one of the most underrated parts of Dynamite.
Aw.
You've been there since the beginning. You've been putting in great work. What you're doing with BT, which this vlog is completely different, is inspiring. But I just want to tell you that you are appreciated.
Thanks, man.
And I don't think, the vlog community behind AEW would be what it is without you.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate
That's all
that.
I wanted to say.
Thanks, man. Thanks, everybody watching.
Good morning, friends. It's Thursday. Yum. So today we are taking a shuttle that's going to take us. We're in Fort Lauderdale today. Tomorrow is in Lakeland, near Tampa. So we're going to be, ooh, look at this beautiful Spirit plane. So we're taking a 3-hour shuttle. That's going to be nice. And then today is Collision, and Kevin issued a challenge yesterday, so he's going to be fighting someone in FDR. Hopefully Stoke. I hope it's Stoke. But I'm starting to think that my experience in Florida might mostly be guided by the fact that I just come here and stay at airport hotels. And so, this feels so artificial, and there's just so much concrete. But people love it. I don't know. Maybe I can try to talk to a few Floridians at Collision today and see how they like it. Wait, no, hold on. We're going. We're recording. We're live. We're live. We're live with Daddy Magic. We're at Collision. It took me 4 hours to get here via shuttle. The bus broke down twice.
No,
I personally,
stop. I gotta know more about this.
Well, the shuttle broke down. We were shuttling from the hotel
Tampa?
the hotel in Fort Lauderdale all the way down here, and the bus just broke down twice on the side. The bus broke down. They sent another bus. That bus broke down too. They sent a third bus, and we got on that one.
This is a nightmare.
It really was.
I would have just called an Uber.
Well, so this is the reason that I'm talking to you right now. I blame Florida. I don't like Florida. And I needed to get the point of view of someone, again, coming from the same place, coming from Montreal, moved to Florida. You're here because you want to be here.
I want to be here.
Not like me. I'm here because I have to be here.
I chose.
You like Florida?
I love Florida.
Is it just the weather?
So, the weather. I chose nice weather and low taxes over family and friends.
Taxes. Yeah, that's just I expect you to make.
Often I talk to Stacey, right, my wife, and I'll say that exact line because it gets lonely sometimes,
Yeah,
when you don't have your
does.
people around
And you don't have anything to do, and there's just concrete and theme parks.
We
the
have
place you
plenty of
live
stuff to do with
has
the kid
no
now.
culture or history or anything fun. There's gators.
You're being a little stiff here on Florida. Well, what do you want them to do? It's beautiful here. Of course.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
You don't like guns?
I don't know. I think
You don't like gun shows?
I don't like drug gun shows. I don't like. So one time.
What about college football?
At nope, not the college football. One time at TNA there was a pit bull show.
Pit bull show.
Yes, which is those people who breed pit bulls.
Oh, the Michael
so that
Vicks.
they're as yes, those guys. Basically, they were having just a show for who inbred their dog the most, so that they would be the shortest, stubbiest, with the most breathing
I need to
problems.
get to the bottom of this. This wasn't this was in Florida?
Yes,
But it couldn't have been this big advertised thing. This must have been an underground.
Nope. Yep.
It was an underground
convention center. One room had TNA wrestling. The other room had pit bull show.
pit bull show.
Yeah, not pit
So it
bull.
wasn't they weren't fighting.
No, they
It
weren't
wasn't like a
fighting.
cockfight.
No, yeah.
Okay.
It was
I thought
like a dog
cockfight.
show.
Thought
It was a dog show. You know dog shows where they give prizes for the best
Sure,
dogs.
Westminster.
Yes, correct.
They used to cancel Raw.
That, but probably
Do we have to
the
bleep that out?
lowest level.
say
No.
what?
Yeah, I think so. You can say whatever you want. But the lowest level of, you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
if AEW,
Oh, yeah.
if
You're
AEW Dynamite is the
CRW.
Westminster Dog Show, yes, the CRW in a bingo hall in front of 20 people who mostly came to eat the promoter's hot dogs.
Ooh, yeah, Gilles.
Of dog shows.
Nothing to sneeze at. You grill him.
He would, yeah. Shout out Gilles Boucher.
Ça fait français, ils sont super ensemble.
No,
Ça fait longtemps.
and his
Désolé,
ex-wife. So promoter Gilles Boucher's ex-wife is also very publicly horny on Facebook.
Holy shit, is
That's
he?
it. Oh, she is.
Oh, well,
She's
up
it's
there.
wild.
Just trying to,
We've been wrestling for too long. Again, what year did you start? 2003, 2?
I started training a week after 9/11.
Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, you 05, 04?
05.
There you go.
05.
Yeah.
I started training in 05.
16?
Started wrestling.
15?
15.
There you go. Long time.
Yeah.
20 years.
20 years.
Look at this, 20 years, huh?
20 years.
Mwah.
Now here we are in Florida, unfortunately.
It's beautiful.
All right, Kevin, don't run too fast. You're running too
Whoa,
fast.
whoa,
Hold
listen.
up. You got a big match tonight.
Yes,
You gotta
yes.
save your energy or
Right.
get warmed up. I don't know.
You're right. I gotta have a balance. Life is all about balance.
Life is all about
I
balance.
appreciate you telling me to slow down a little bit. Because tonight, listen, I don't really know who I'm stepping in the ring with, whether it's Dax, Cash, I don't know the other guy's name,
I think it's Stooley.
Strongly.
Strongly.
Not strongly.
Not strongly.
I know that.
something along those lines. So, we're out here doing our push-ups. We're getting right, doing our squats. So, I need y'all to have my back. Y'all got me? Whoa.
It's haunted.
Whoa. I guess
Scary.
that's the answer to that.
You know what?
Oh, yeah,
Even, even
we're
with
there.
the ghosts, we didn't run away. See, we got your back.
I like that.
Not afraid of no ghosts.
Hey, JetSpeed always up, baby.
Top guys down, jet speed up. Hey, the back of my head hurts. But Kevin got the big dub. So here's basically what happened, right? A quick recap. So it's supposed to be a one-on-one match.
Yeah.
But then Cash and Stokely keep trying to cheat. And then
Wait, the tactics of the beginning was also like unfair, right? So we don't know who walking into it.
Talk to me.
And they're like, oh, we're both just gonna be in the match and mess with
Yeah,
the
we're-
rain.
yeah. Which is not what the agreement. No, one-on-one, you can't just both be in the ring and then just Dax just attacks you out of nowhere.
Right. FTR, Lil Strokely. I'm not really fond of the tactics that y'all pulling lately. But I can expect nothing different. And then now Megan Bain and Penelope Ford is, what's up with that?
Yeah,
Like-
I don't know.
And baby powder?
As
Is that
if-
really what we doing?
As if 3-on-3 was not enough room for them to cheat.
Right.
They gotta add 2 more.
Right.
Yeah. And you know what? I was not feeling good by the end of the day, but you won.
We did.
Nonetheless, through all the obstacles.
There we go.
I'm not feeling good
All
right
the
now.
obstacles.
It's pretty bad. My head hurts.
I know. I'm like, I
Speech
can't
is
even
hard.
come up with words.
We
'cause
can't
I'm
even
like,
talk right now. My ribs might be broke, you know what I'm saying? Dax got a hard ass head.
I thought you said your Riz. I was like, no, the Riz is never broke.
The Riz will never be
Riz, no, the Riz is
Riz?
intact.
Because we get hoes, you know what I'm saying? Or I don't know, they married people and everything, so I'm a viewer discretion advised. Lil Strokely, we're just trying to help you out, but we see the game you playing. So we're not taking it easy next time we see you.
See you next time, little Strokely. Okay. So let's get to. We need to find a safe spot in terms of kayfabe.
Okay.
So we're not dancing, unfortunately, because we don't have Mina,
Yes.
and I can't dance at all. But I especially can't dance if I don't have Mina guiding me. But I want to talk. This is a very important conversation that we need to have as the respective owners of the number 3 and 4 vlogs in the AEW ranking. With BT, who is just demolishing us. They are crushing. But also they kind of started the company.
That's true.
But I mean, we're fighting an uphill battle. And Sammy Guevara, who's been doing his
Oh my
for
God.
a very, very long time. And we're the little guys, we're the underdogs. So I feel like we gotta vlog together. We gotta work together.
Oh, I
in
see
order
what
to-
you're doing.
Right?
I think if you're number 3, I'm number 4. I'm last.
I don't know. I think I'm 4. I think you're 3.
No, I think.
If not in terms of views, just in terms of quality. My vlog is
You know what?
I don't even edit. I don't do anything.
Makes the dream work.
Right.
So, let's team up against Sammy Guevara
Yes.
and the EVPs.
Yes.
I'm down.
Yes. Okay.
You guys
Good.
know I'm already juicy and a little crazy.
Right.
So
you gotta double up the juice. Double juice.
double juicy dance too. Maybe that
Damn.
would give us more views.
Dancing. So definitely the dancing popped off. So we need to do that. We need to have famous people in the vlogs. We're gonna find some celebrities and get them to talk to us on camera.
You're a celebrity. You
No.
know what I mean? Like I look up to you. You're so
No, come
good.
on. You get millions of views on your TikToks just dancing. It's wild.
I can't help that I'm
Right, see-
African, you know.
Yeah, I'm not.
Organic,
I'm
juicy.
the opposite of African. I'm French Canadian. I could not be less
Tu sais ce
African.
qu'on doit faire? On
Oui.
doit parler français.
C'est vrai que si on parle français, ça va.
Peut-être ça va nous donner plus de vues. Je pense.
Certainement, c'est
Parce que
sûr.
je
100%.
pense qu'on doit attirer le public français aussi.
Oui.
Je sais pas si tu comprends ce que je veux dire.
Oui, oui.
Yeah. Donc,
Faut parler à plus de francophones. On est comme 3 ici. Il y a toi, moi, Daddy Magic qui parle français aussi.
il parle français?
Oui.
Oh my god.
You didn't know?
No.
Daddy Magic speaks French. He's from Montreal as well. He's
Ok.
a Québécois. Yeah.
Donc maintenant, voilà, c'est notre team.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna need to more French, more dancing, more celebrities. We're gonna work together to make that happen.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Coming for BT and Sammy. Sorry. Okay, I am recording, so just if anyone's aware. So I have to just step on in here. So I have to. This is something I have to do legally. I'm obliged. I have to drag people into the bathroom with me, because if I don't, then my viewers yell at me because I didn't do the PTDR. So, Gabriel, we met in Australia a while ago.
We did, bro.
Yeah. And one of the first things that I remember from our interactions is yelling at you for not having Twitter.
Yeah, it's true, bro.
Yeah.
You know, you actually changed my life. Listen, chat. Back then, I was a bit younger, I was a bit more naive. I hadn't really worked it out yet. And brother Speedball Mike Bailey goes, "Are you not on Twitter?" He goes, "Do you have rocks for brains?" He looked at me like he was going to kill me on the spot. I said, "I don't really use Twitter." And I thought he was only going to kick me straight in the side of the head and knock me out for good. I said, "Look, bro, I'll get Twitter right now. Everything's going to be okay." Now, I'm cooking on Twitter a little bit.
Now you're a professional social media influencer.
Hey, brother, King Creas, Speedball Mike Bailey, the first collab. Dude, we got a Twitch stream, YouTube, bro, we're going to do it all.
Well, so we're gonna collab right here on the vlog, and what we're gonna do is the PTDR.
The PTDR.
The PTDR, yeah.
Can you explain that to me? Is that a thing you guys do? Say?
It is, so it's the thing that I have to, again, I have to do it, otherwise YouTube comments will yell at me and tell me that this vlog is worthless
my
and
fucking
everything
video.
else, right? Okay, well, so the PTDR stands for the Paper Towel Dispenser Review.
Oh, God. Alright, let's talk business. You want to review this paper towel
Yeah,
dispenser?
so we've got the torque right here, the torque. We've seen the torque before, and it's usually quite good. Now, so it's got no handles, it's not automatic, it's just the good old-fashioned, old school. You pull it out and you get a paper towel, which is nice, right? And you just wrestled, so you're sweaty and wet.
sweaty, yeah.
See, so please give us a pull.
So the first thing, I'm first looking at this, it looks very flaccid, very floppy. I
Very
like
flaccid.
a structure. You know what this tells me? One ply. One ply's big problems, bro.
Yes.
I'm being honest with you.
Better than brown paper,
Yeah?
but still.
Like, that was smooth.
Okay, yes,
I must
yes.
say, that smooth, clean cut.
Excellent tear, very straight. This is very nice.
Yeah.
Getting good.
We're getting all sorts of sounds in here. I feel quite disgusted if I'm
That
being
is
honest with you.
that is the favorite part. My favorite part about filming this in the men's room every week is the noises and the things that happen in the back. And the people that come in and be like, "Why are you dragging people into the men's
I was so
room?"
confused. He's like, got my arm around him. Like, there's a locker room upstairs. He goes, no, come with me. And he's dragging me to the toilet. I'm thinking, what? Are you filming a vlog with me? Or what the fuck's going on right here? Sorry.
Yeah.
Did you swear on your channel? I'm sorry.
Yeah. Fucking we do.
Okay, beautiful. Fuck yeah. I'm Australian, you know. What do you think?
Yeah.
I gotta swear. Do you want a rating? Like, do we rate this paper towel?
Yeah. So normally we rate it 1 out of 5 stars, but it goes up to 7.
Right. I'm no connoisseur like you. Chat, I'm no connoisseur like you either. I'm sorry. This is my first ever paper towel review. But I must say, on my channel, we rate a lot of things, and that was a smooth exit. I like it. You know when you go to the toilet, it's fitting that we're in the toilet. You know when you get the smooth exit, and you go, wow. And sometimes when you get the smooth exit, you only need one wipe. You know what I'm talking about, bro?
The best ones.
That's the best ones. This is giving me a smooth exit. One ply, no good. But this torque right here, hey, torque, you know how to make it smooth. So I'm gonna give that 3.75 out of 5.
3.75 for the
You know what I mean?
torque. Well done.
So I'm gonna give that.
Good rating. Very well done. And we're back.
Hello.
Thank y'all so much for watching. It has been a tumultuous few days. Veda, you've been real busy.
I've been extremely busy because I have paint all over my hands.
Oh my god, we got paint. What could we possibly be painting? Alright, friends, thank y'all so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one next week. Back in Florida.